Okay, so here's our potato tower that we put together, and hopefully we're going to see some potatoes in there. Just lift the box off and then push all of the dirt around and see if there's any potatoes in there. Go ahead.
Push what?
Push the dirt around.
I'm assuming the potatoes are these.
And we'll push it hard off to the side. Yeah, like that. I'm not seeing any potatoes yet. We should go down to the one below it too and see if there's any down there. Try to keep it in this side. There you go. That way. No potatoes yet. Can you lift that bottom box at all and push it over? We have an audience. He's asking if there's any potatoes in there. Oh, what's that? A potato!
Lots of ants.
Okay. Get the potato out of there. I hope
Look at the ants.
Oh yeah, lots of ants built their home in there. Okay, well, there's one potato. I wonder if they're eating them. Okay.
Lots and lots of ants.
Okay, how about just lifting up the whole box and tipping it over? Yeah. Oh, there you go. Pulling it up. Pulling the whole box up. There's an earwig. Somebody will get that. Push it all over with your hand if you can.
Push what?
The dirt. Push the dirt to try to reveal any potatoes. There you go, yeah. Oh, there's another potato. One potato, two potato. Another nice potatoes. Oh, another potato. Hey, that's a good potato too. Look at that. 3 potatoes.
4.
4 potato, 5 potatoes. All right. Those are nice looking potatoes.
6.
6 potatoes. Yay.
7.
7. Right there. There, yeah.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
There's 2.
Oh! Yeah! Push this dirt off around too and see if there's anything in there. Easy potato harvesting. Another one? Yay!
And another.
Whoa! All right. Awesome.
And then these.
Couple little babies. this is growing potatoes in a potato tower. The second tier didn't work, but I think that was my fault because I didn't cover the green part up soon enough. So they all stayed down below. Pull up on that. Pull those roots up. Okay. Oh, there you go. And after all, potatoes are a root vegetable. Oh, look at them. Wow. That's awesome. I started off with 2 seed potatoes from Harmony Farm in Sebastopol, organically grown. And started off with 2 seed potatoes cut up. And I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 potatoes from 2 potatoes. That's awesome.
Yes.
That looks like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Fantastic. Thank you. That's great. Our potato harvest.